Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up handling move-in checklists with iPropertyManagement step by step clearly. Start by logging into your iPropertyManagement account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Move-in Checklists section. Click on that Add New Checklist button. Enter a name for your checklist. Set the date for the move-in. Select the property associated with the checklist. Add a description if necessary to provide more context. Now, begin adding tasks to your checklist. Click on the Add Task button. Type in the name of the first task. Set a due date for each task, if applicable. Repeat the task addition process until all necessary tasks are included. Once all tasks are added, review the checklist for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to tasks or due dates. After finalizing the checklist, save your changes. Now, go back to the Move-in Checklists section. You should see your newly created checklist in the list. Select the checklist to view or edit later as needed. Share the checklist with tenants by sending them a link. Monitor the completion of tasks as tenants move in. You have now successfully set up a move-in checklist using iPropertyManagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.